Okay, so today I'll show you how to install Evo-all in the Passat 2014 along with this Evo-all, along with RF kit, that is RF 912 by Fortin. So I got all my stuff and equipment ready here. I bought the harness to make my installation easy, which will be super easy, by the way, this way. It's not that difficult if you did not use a harness, it's just different instructions. Here's the Evo-all. I'm gonna set it here, and then also once we're done, I'll show you. I'll be installing this gadget. This is something amazing. I love it. Enables you to remote start your car from a cell phone. I'll put it together. I'll have a second video showing how to make this, where to buy components from, what components are needed, what programming codes are needed, and then how to hook it up to the car. Well, thing is, this would work only if you have an aftermarket remote start, like for instance the Evo one. It will work on it. Otherwise, it just cannot sit in the car and remote start it. So since I have the Fortin, I'm going to install this one after this is already installed. So for the time being, I'm going to just remove the steering column, and we take it from